Hello everyone, my name is Mohammad Nairushan Nijum and I am from Ishwardi Pavna. Thank you for taking the time to watch my video resume. I am a passionate and motivated student currently pursuing my Bachelor of Science in Software Engineering at Daffodil International University. I have always been curious about how technology works and the curiosity has led me to choose this exciting field. Before joining university, I completed my secondary school certificate and higher secondary certificate from Sharamarore Model School and College. I have achieved a GPA of 4.00 in SSC and 4.17 out of 5.00 in HSC. This experience helped me build a strong foundation in science and mathematics, which are essential for software engineering. At Daffodil International University, my academic journey continues to teach me that just theory but also practical skills that prepare me high for the real world tech industry. My CGPA is average, but I always focus more on learning by doing, building projects, solving problems, and continuously improving my knowledge. I have learned several programming languages and technologies that support my goal of becoming a professional web developer. I am skilled in HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, which are the core of front-end development. I also have knowledge of Java and Python, which help me understand the logic behind programming and back-end development. Recently, I have exploring JavaScript for dynamic websites and planning to learn Node JavaScript for full stack development. Besides programming, I am familiar with Git and GitHub for version control, and I enjoy working on team projects where collaboration is key. I am always eager to learn new technologies and adapt to the fast changing world for software development. My career goal is to become a skilled and creative web developer who can build user friendly and meaningful web applications that make people's life easier. In the next few years, I want to work in a professional development team, gain hands-on experience, and contribute to impactful projects. In the long term, I dream of becoming a full-stack developer and maybe even starting my own tech venture one day. I believe hard work, consistency, and curiosity as the keys to reaching that goal. To sum up, I am Mohammad Nainushan Nijum, a learner, problem solver, and an aspiring web developer. Thank you for watching my video resume. I am excited to continue growing, learning, and contributing to the world of technology. Have a great day. Thank you, everyone.